Okay, we have here 5 individuals of the native oyster. It's called the mangrove oyster. The scientific name is Casostrea rhizophoroi. He used to live in the mangrove wood. For this project, we are using this species as a natural filter. This species filter approximately 40 to 50 gallons per day. And they do it because it's the way that they eat.
I'm really excited to see this project sponsored by the San Juan Bay Estuary Program to introduce oysters to the local waterways. I think it's going to accomplish a few key things. One is it'll give us needed scientific data on water quality. Second, it's just a great example of citizen science because it'll involve the public in a way to protect our treasured water resources. So I really congratulate the San Juan Bay Estuary Program for launching this project. EPA is really proud to be supporting it, and we just need more projects like this all over the country.
During the National Estuary Program meetings in Washington, D.C. and other locations around the country, we in the San Juan Bay Estuary learned about the oyster restoration projects that other NEPs are developing around the country. We decided to have one of these projects in the Condado Lagoon in the area of San Juan, Puerto Rico. The project is being implemented by around 50 to 60 volunteers, including residents that are taking care of the oysters and of the project, and students, including one student that is doing his master's degree thesis in the project.
So there is this network of estuary programs from all over the country where people get together once a year, they share information, and it's really terrific that this idea was sort of launched at a discussion with other national estuary programs. I know about similar projects in New York Harbor that's run by the Harbor School, this very innovative public school on Governor's Island in New York City, where the entire curriculum is about the marine environment. There are also really exciting oyster projects being launched in the state of New Jersey. So my dream is for all of these local citizen science initiatives to come together at the next National Estuary Program that EPA sponsors to tell the story about what worked, what didn't work, how EPA can be more supportive. And it's just great to see the synergy and the sharing of information. And I know that in some cities there are big campaigns to plant trees, and we support them, but I think that model is good with oysters. So let's plant 1 million trees and let's plant 10 million oysters in urban waterways.